Here is how to access the cooling unit through a mobile phone. First, use a Lightning to RJ45 adapter to connect the mobile phone and the cooling unit. For other mobile phones with Type-C interfaces, use a Type-C to RJ45 adapter. After plugging in the adapter, the Ethernet option will be displayed in the mobile phone. Click it to see the LAN option, and then click it. Here you can set the LAN. The default is automatic to obtain the IP address. Because the default IP address of the cooling unit is 192.168.1.137, we manually set the IP address of the mobile phone to the same network. Configure IP. Here we change to manual. IP address is set to 192.168.1.122. Subnet mask is set to 255.255.255.0. Router is set to 192.168.1.1. Click Save to save. Then enter the browser and enter the cooling unit's IP address 192.168.1.137 to enter the cooling unit's page. Here we can see that the displayed interface is the same as the cooling unit's own display screen. You can view all parameters and real-time data. You can also enter the user menu to set the temperature, etc. You can also turn the unit on and off, etc. This is the introduction to accessing the cooling unit through a mobile phone. For a detailed introduction to the interface content, please refer to other chapters.